As you recall, in the past 2 training videos, we learned what a style is, and a style, again, is nothing more than a collection of formats that you can apply. In this case, we're going to learn how to create a table style that we can apply to a table. And the collection of formats can include the fonts, so whatever text we type within the table could be one type of font or format. Also the borders, the shading within the table, in any case. To get started and to create one, you want to go ahead and click within the table so we can bring up its related contextual design and layout tabs. We're going to the Design tab. Click on that, and then you can see you've got some pre-formatted or built-in table styles. Click on the More button, and when you hover over any one of those, it gives you a preview and also the name of that table style. We're going to come down here and create our own table style. So go ahead and click on New Table Style and give it a name. This one's going to be Pithy. And in any case, the style type, table, you can click on the drop-down arrow. Also do paragraph, character, but we're going to leave it as table here. And then the style is based upon a default normal template. That's fine. Apply the formatting to the whole table, or what other options do we have? The header row, which is the first row in the table. The total row, which is going to be basically the bottom here. And you can see up here there's the checkbox for the total row. In any case, I'm going to say the whole table. So the whole table has to have the font, what? Let's do Mono. Ooh, Monotype Corsiva. That's fancy. So after I type in the first couple letters, get up Mono. If I like what it's pulling up, just hit the Tab key and it applies it. And then I can choose the size, make it 14. Ooh, that's bigger. Make it bold. Italics, underline, choose a color. You get the idea here. Okay, orange is a bit of a wash. Let's go ahead and choose red. There it pops a bit more. Let's see, what type of borders? Do we want no border? Do we want a bunch of dash borders at a half a point? Or do we want it to be a bit thicker, maybe 1 1/2 points? Do we want the color of the border to be automatic, or do we want to set some other color, maybe blue? And then we can go ahead and apply the border. So if we click on that button, it applies it around all the cells within the table, or you can click on the drop-down arrow, say no border, click on the drop-down arrow again, say we just want it at the top of the border, or top of the table, because again, we're applying it to the whole table as opposed to choosing something else and working within that parameter. In fact, let's just do it to all borders, and not to be annoying, but let's go ahead and go back to all lines, in which case once I do that it resets it, so I'll have to choose another color, purple, and let's do it kind of thick, 2 1/4 point. Okay, so you can see. And then let's click on the color drop down arrow and choose a color for the shading within it. Oh, that hurts my eyes. Let's go ahead and choose something else. Not any better. And then let's go ahead and click on the drop down arrow for the text position within the cells within the table. Is it always going to be the top left or middle center? Align center, and everything's center aligned, and then vertically in the middle. And then here you can read all the formatting that's currently being applied to the table, what I have selected. Now, do I want it only available in this document or all new documents? Let's do all new. If I want to get more particular, then click on the format and get other table properties and options, and go ahead and choose the formats you would like to apply to the table. Other formats include font, which gives you more choices. So the text within it, you can have it as all caps. Well, I don't know why you want to hide it, but in any case, there's the box. Let's go ahead and click OK. I'm okay with that. Click Okie dokie, and hey, let's go ahead and apply that. Come back up here on the Design tab to the Table Styles, click on the More button. You can see it's right there, Custom. And when I hover over it, it's called Pithy. Cool. Click on it to apply it, and okay. Anyways, you get the idea. Let's click on File, go down to New, so we can see if it's available in all new documents. Double click on the blank document, and let's go ahead and insert a table real quick. Click on Insert, click on the table, and do that. And then, well, there it is. Click on it, and it applies. And then type in your text, and it's in Monotype Corsiva, the color red. But as far as modification goes, well, when it comes to the table, you can just go ahead and right-click, and then go down to Modify the Table Style. Click Cancel, or right-click, and there's the Delete Table Style here. But when we want to go ahead and do it across the board with all the other styles that we learned how to create, then you want to watch my next training video. I'm going to go ahead and close out and not save that one. And I'm not going to save this one because I don't like the way I coordinated all the colors.
Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.